All right, folks, it's a beautiful day in New Orleans, and this week's Walkthrough Wednesday is taking us to 1301 Franklin Street in Gretna. This is an excellent opportunity. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, brand newly renovated, just over 1,300 square feet, offered at $264,900. I love these floors in here. I think this renovator does the very best floors of anyone that we work with. Don't tell anyone though. So here is our kitchen. I like how they built in the dishwasher and microwave right there so they don't take up any counter space. Take you through the bedrooms. Here's bedroom number 1. And I love these windows with the curved frames. It's a nice historic feature. We come through here for bathroom number 1. Just a well-renovated bathroom. Here's another bedroom. What I like about these is that they're sizable bedrooms. You can fit a nice sized bed in here and they're not too tight. Here is our master bedroom. And we know it's our master because it has the ensuite bathroom. Really like these floor tiles here. Now I'll show you, we're on a double lot. The lot is 65 by 128, so even larger than a double lot. Here is where our washer dryer goes. And this is a very flexible floor plan. So this could be our living or dining room. That could also be our living or dining room past the kitchen there. And then we've got this side door. Tons of off-street parking. Really just a lot you can do with this. Take us outside. And here you can really see just how much land we have. We have that outbuilding, which is heated and cooled by that window unit. So our land comes all the way. Tons of land. And so you're getting all this at 1301 Franklin Street for $264,900. If you do have any questions about the property, please don't hesitate to reach out to Chris Smith at 504-231-2004. This has been Jacob with Chris Smith's office, signing off. Thanks for watching.